Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you set WhatsApp wallpaper for individual contact on iPhone. So let's get started by opening WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now go to that chat you want to set wallpaper for. Like I want to change the wallpaper for this chat, then I will go to that chat and then click on the top of the name of that chat. Here you can see some options and one of the option is wallpaper and sound. Tap on it. Now you will get few options like choose a new wallpaper, or you will get this thing. You can drag it to make it darker or lighter. Also you can change alert tone from here, but I will tell you how can you change the wallpaper. Click on choose a new wallpaper. Now you can choose from the WhatsApp's default wallpapers. You can choose from them, or if you want to set an image from your gallery or photos, then you have to tap on this photos and now choose that photo from your device. I've chosen this image. Now I can drag it and adjust. I can also zoom the image, and here is also a feature of wallpaper motion. If I tap on this icon, then it will be turned on, and when my phone will move, then the wallpaper will also move like that. You can also turn off this by clicking again on it. After you done with the adjusting wallpaper, then click on set, and now this wallpaper is set. Now the wallpaper for this chat is changed. If you go to that chat, you can see the wallpaper is changed. So this is how you can change the WhatsApp wallpaper for individual contact on iPhone.